Today I will start English shorthand class number 15, which is connected with the joining two strokes or consonants as large circle. As you know, we have already completed the small circle of consonant S and Z. Now we are discussing about the two consonants or strokes, how they are used in the shorthand class. Shorthand. You follow the Pidman shorthand book, large circle SW and SS or SZ chapter. You are requested to follow how to use two strokes or consonants. Line seat dot sweet large circle sweet swam is large circle swam. Necessity, it can be used initially first place, second place and also in third place as and when required. Necessity. Passes, passes. Possessive. Causes, exist, exhaust, exercised, exercises, misspell. Lucy, policy, Jelius, Lucy's, policies, Jelius, possesses, access, axis, recess. However, the SW circle is used also for words as we in phrases like as we have, as we can, as well as, in this city, this is, as is his. However, in this chapter, 5 or 6 grammar logos which is to be kept in mind. I am telling now. In or any, on, under the line, your, middle the line, our, middle the ourselves, themselves. However, 2, 3 exercise are in this chapter which are to be practiced in your home. Now I can repeat for reminding that every stroke or consonant will be made as 1/6 of an inch, you know, and should be kept in mind always. The stroke or consonant cannot be uh, larger or small. Next, you will use ruled paper and pencil, and you will read and practice for at least 1 hour every day. Side by side, you have to listen English news for at least 30 minutes, and you have to read English newspaper for at least 30 minutes. You know that shorthand is a continuous education, and you have to give hard labor and patience on daily basis. Besides, you have to take English typewriting class, as this is required to transcribe the dictation of your superiors. You give your hard labor and patience so that you will get jobs in the market. You know, you can join as stenographers, stenotypist, personal secretary, private secretary, its principal secretary, personal assistant, etc. In the job market, demands are high, uh, demands are in high positions. So you and others are requested to follow my guidelines so that you will success in your life, and every day or 2 3 days I will give you one chapter only, because it is the you it is it, it is good for you. If I give 3 or 4 chapters in a day, that would not be good for you. Naturally, I am giving you a chapter. Kindly follow side by side. You follow the Speedman shorthand book also. Thank you. I end the class now.